Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be working on a crocheted earring, and we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be working on a crocheted earring. You are going to need a 2mm crochet hook. You're going to need your ear wires, jump rings. You're going to need a pair of pliers, scissors, and of course your crochet thread. Now for once I actually have a spool of thread or a ball of thread that has a label. So I want you to see a size 10. Now all the other ones that I've got, let me just show you. I have basically inherited from my grandmother. So I didn't know what size the yarn was or the thread. So this gives you an idea. It's size 10 because it's all relatively the same size as this one. Okay, so what we're doing today is we're doing a triangle shaped earring. Okay, so we're going to start by crossing our yarn. You can do a slip knot. I know a lot of people do slip knots. I just don't do slip knots. We're going to chain 4. Okay, we're going to go back into that very first chain and do a slip stitch. We're going to chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. That chain 3 is going to count as a double crochet. We're going to do 2 more double crochets. So 1, 2. So then we're going to chain 2. 1, 2. And then we're going to do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. We're going to chain 2. 1, 2. And still in that same circle or the same center, we're doing 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3. We are going to chain 2. 1, 2. And we're going to slip stitch. What are you doing? My cat's behind me getting into things. We're going to slip stitch into that third chain of the chain 3. Okay. Now we're going to slip stitch into that first double crochet and into the next double crochet. And now we're slip stitching right into that space. Okay. We're going to chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do 2 double crochets into that same space. 1, 2. We are going to chain 2. 1, 2. And in that same space, we're doing 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. I'm sorry, I just have to see what my cat's up to. Okay, there we go. Now reaching across, we're just going to put 3 double crochets into that next space. We are not going to do any chains, we're just reaching. We're going to do 3 double crochets into this space. 1, 2, 3. We're going to chain 2. 1, 2. We're going to do 3 more double crochets into that same space. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. We're going to reach for that next space, and we're going to do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, and in the same space do 3 more double crochets. 1, oops, 2, and 3. And we're going to slip stitch into the chain 3 that we did at the beginning of this round. So you see what we're getting there? We're getting a nice triangle. We're going to do another round. So we are going to slip stitch into the next double crochet and slip stitch into the next double crochet until we get to our space. Slip stitch into this space, chain up 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this starts our next round. Okay, so we're gonna do 2 double crochet, 1, 2, chain 2, 1, 2, and we're going to put 3 more double crochet in that space. 1, 2, 3. We're going to reach for the next space and put 3 double crochet in there. 1, 2, 3. We're going to reach for our next corner and do 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, and then 3 double crochets in that same space because it's one of our corners. 2, 3, reach for the next one, next space, and we're just doing 3 double crochets in there. 1, 2, 3. Reach for our next corner, and we're doing 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3 double crochets. Reach for the next space. Three double crochets into that next space. And then we're just going to slip stitch into that chain 3. Whoops. There we go. Slip stitch. Oops. Come on now. Okay. Now make your loop big. Cut your yarn. Put your tail through your loop and pull tight. Now this one, mine is curling and yours will curl too. So what you're going to do is you're going to hide your threads, and then you're going to give this a little iron with steam, okay? And I wouldn't go hot, like this is cotton thread, so don't go higher than cotton on your settings, okay? Do that, meet me back, and we'll finish off our earring. Okay, so we're back, and I gave my triangle a nice little iron, and see how flat it's laying? You're going to take your jump ring, and you are going to open it sideways, okay? You never open your jump rings out. Now we're going to just attach it through the top of your triangle, and making sure that you have your earring wire going the right way. We're going to give that a close. There we go. And if you're worried that anything will slip out of the little opening, just put a dab of clear nail polish on there if that's what you're concerned about. And there you go, guys. We have our beautiful triangle crocheted earring. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and make sure that you come back on Thursdays. I do new videos every Thursday. Also in the description, you'll find a link for a new product I've created. It's a crochet journal. It's available in my Etsy store, and it lets you keep track of what projects you're using, what size crochet hooks, so on and so forth. And also, I'll put a link in the description for my Facebook crochet group. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.